In the name of God, the most merciful and the most compassionate. Hi, everyone. How are you doing? The Son and I bid you our welcome filled with hopes and dreams. Develop your talent. Discover the secrets to master your gift. Unique keys for discovering and developing your talent. How to discover your talents? Think about what you enjoy. Think about what you love. Love makes the impossible possible. The things that make you happy can reveal your talents. Your perception of yourself is very complex. You may be blinded to the things that you are best at. Open your mind to all tracks. Talents come in all shapes and sizes. You can achieve almost anything in life as long as you focus on achieving one thing at a time. With focus, you can achieve anything. Pick one thing you are already better at than most people, just one thing. Become maniacally focused at doing that one thing. Work, train, learn, practice, evaluate, refine. Be ruthlessly self-critical, not in a sarcastic way, but to ensure you continue to work to improve every aspect of that one thing. Steps to developing your talents. Step number one, hard work beats talent. Step number two, formulate your why. Why do you do what you do? Step number three, perfecting your art will only come from learning it from every angle and doing it often. Step number four, focus on whatever obstacle stands between you and perfect your talent and obsess over it until it disappears. Step number five, use visualization to facilitate your achievement. Step number six, practice and hard work will transform even just a little bit of talent into an amazing asset. Step number seven, develop a sense of peace and well being. How? You can achieve that with exercises that cultivate mindfulness, balance, gratitude, and happiness. Thank God day and night. Without God, we are nothing. Follow His word alone, Torah alone, Bible alone, Quran alone. No sects, no men of religion. Step number eight, goals without systems create chaos in your life. To create a system simply, way number one, define what you want. Way number two, identify why you want it. Way number three, learn the actions you must take. Way number four, set implementation intentions. Way number five, your health can impact your gifts. Way number six, make the best career decisions. Way number seven, make a strategic plan to take control of your overwhelming emotions and live your best life now. Way number eight, if you wanted to conquer the anxiety of life, live in the moment, live in the breath. Way number nine, we can make more and faster with a very well organized mind. It's about having an organized mind instead of a chaotic and untidy one. Unlock your true potential today. Our Lord, upon you we have relied, and you we have returned, and you is the destination. I have surrendered to the Lord of the worlds. Break Sayyid Abu Mad.